Hi guys, my name is Anaga and I'm from the Saga for Creative Mind. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bookmark, which is very easy to make. So without further ado, let's begin. So the things you will need are a square sheet of paper, some scissors, a pencil, a ruler, an eraser, and some sketch pens, crayons or color pencils. So to begin, we need a square sheet of paper. Now you cannot make the bookmark with a rectangle piece of paper because it needs a square shape. And I'm using a used sheet. My printer has this sheet which is printed on one side but the other side is white. You can use an origami sheet, a newspaper or anything you want. So to begin, I am going to fold my paper in half like a triangle, like this. Now what I'm going to do is do the same thing again but not like this. I'm going to fold it to the point at the top. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So when I cut the square paper from the rectangle one, I had a piece of sheet left. So I'm gonna take this and put it away for now, as we can use it later. So now I'm gonna remove this, and I have two sheets here. I'm gonna fold one sheet down and it should look like this. Okay, now I'm going to take this part and I'm going to tuck it inside the part we just folded, like this. So as you can see, I tucked it in this part, and now I need to do the same thing here. So make sure everything is tucked in. And it should look like this. It has a little pocket like this here. And now you can keep your bookmark as it is, and all you need to do is put the book or page here. But now I'm going to decorate this so it will look nice when I put it on my book or paper. So I decided I'm going to make a rabbit. So I'm going to put ears here and here, and I'm going to draw a face here. I'm going to draw a face here. So you can do anything you want. You can, if you want, you can put a tongue and make it a dog or a monster, anything you want. Or you can take a paper crown and you can stick it here and pretend it's a princess or a king, anything that you want. I chose to make a bunny. So we are going to keep this away for now and I'm gonna take the paper which was left over from cutting the square. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna draw a bunny ear. Okay, I drew it like that. I'm just gonna see if the size is enough. Let's just make it a little bit longer. Okay, now we're ready to cut the rabbit ear. Okay, here we have a bunny ear. Now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna put the bunny ear like this, and I'm gonna do an outline on the paper below. I'm doing this because I want both the rabbit ears to look like the same. But you can make something different, like pretend that one of it's folding and do a sketch of a different one. And they look like this. Now I'm going to stick the rabbit ear here. Like this. Guys, I forgot to tell you that we also needed glue. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick these rabbit ears. So it should look like this. Now we need sketch pens, color pencils or crayons. First I'm going to take pink and I'm just gonna draw a little bit on the ear. Now I'm going to draw a face on the rabbit. So what I'm going to do is draw some eyes here with blue. Okay, so first I'm going to sketch it with my pencil. So mine look like that. Now let's color it. Okay, so I'm going to use blue and black. Okay, it looks very cute. And now I'm just gonna draw a little heart-shaped nose with pink. So there we are, a rabbit bookmark. So now I am going to show you how to put it on or in a book. So I'm just going to move all my things away. And I've got a book here. So there are two ways you can put a bookmark in. So let's just suppose I'm on a middle page. I'm going to take one page and I'm going to put that page through this little pocket like that. So now I'm going to close the book. And as you can see, the ears are popping out, and you can get to the page you want by just looking at where the ears are. The next type of way that you can put the bookmark in is take one page, do the same thing, but instead of putting it like that, you put the whole front or back part of the book in it, like that. I personally like this type better, as you can see the face as well. Now, the bigger your bookmark is, the more the pages it can have, like that. If it's very small, it can only hold one page, but if it's as big as mine, it can hold many pages. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.